guys who would have been their starting second baseman and shortstop. Travis at second and Tulowitzki at short. In the news today, Buck, that Troy Tulowitzki's gone on the 60-day DL. There is a quote significant ligament tear, also a compression fracture in his ankle, and that essentially ends Troy Tulowitzki's season.
Yeah, and he's still in a hard cast, and they're talking about putting him in a walking cast, but he's non-weight bearing right now, so it's a long time before he's going to start thinking about baseball again.